Here's a souped-up pickup truck concept for off-road enthusiasts with an extra $295,000 lying around the VelociRaptor 6x6, a conversion available for the 2017 and 2018 Ford Raptor F-150 that Hennessey will bring to the SEMA aftermarket show, which starts tomorrow in Las Vegas. The performance upgrade is similar to last year's VelociRaptor conversion. It's also just the starting price for the upgrade of the four-door Raptor truck, which includes 6x6 locking rear axles, upgraded Fox suspension, 20-inch wheels and off-road tires, custom bumpers in the front and rear, black roll bar and LED lights. Hennessey is also offering a VelociRaptor 600 twin-turbo upgrade at more than 600 horsepower for added power and performance. It includes stainless steel modifications, upgraded front-mounted air-to-air intercooler and plumbing, and a retuned factory computer. You can also get upgraded Brembo front and rear brakes, larger wheels and tires, upgraded LED lights, bespoke interiors, upgraded electronics and armoring systems. The VelociRaptor 600 twin-turbo upgrade is available to owners of the new Raptor models without the 6x6 configuration for $22,500. The base Raptor F-150 features a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 that makes 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Our VelociRaptor 6x6 is pure aggression on wheels, all six of them, CEO John Hennessey said in a statement. The new 2017 Raptor is going to be one of the best all-around trucks ever built. This upgrade reminds us of that 545 horsepower Ford F-22 inspired F-150 Raptor that sold for $300,000 in a charity auction earlier this year.